Some things are just easier with your voice. In this video, we'll show you how to use hands-free voice controls with the new Roku Voice Remote Pro. To give a hands-free command, just say, "Hey Roku," followed by a variety of supported commands. It's that easy. Use hands-free commands to turn your TV on and off. "Hey Roku, turn on the TV." Play entertainment. "Hey Roku, play classic rock." And control your streaming. "Hey Roku, pause." You can even find your remote if you lose it. "Hey Roku, where's my remote?" For the best experience, keep the remote within 12 feet of you and talk towards it when giving a command. This way, the remote can hear you over the sound of the TV. To discover more hands-free voice commands and other features of your Roku Voice Remote Pro, visit go.roku.com/voice remote pro. Happy streaming!